What is a programmable logic controller? A programmable logic controller, PLC, is a computer connected to inputs that has the ability to make decisions depending on field outputs and logic. What are examples of PLC inputs? Well, here I have a few examples of different inputs. For example, the discrete / digital inputs. There are limit switches, push buttons, toggle switches, and there's more, but those were a few examples. And for the analog inputs, temperature sensors, pressure sensors, and there's several more. What are examples of PLC outputs? Well, on the discrete digital outputs, examples would be like lights and solenoid valves, because they are on off. And for analog, the outputs would be like pneumatic valves, as the valve switches whenever it's stroking, and like VFDs. What is one advantage of a PLC over relay logic? Well, the one thing that I can think of PLC advantage over relay logic is that PLC logic can be changed by simply rewriting the logic.